Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the Australian dollar staged an impressive return of demand overnight after rebounding from the 25.35 support, with the low being 31. The market bulls lifted the pair up to a high of 75.89. Now yesterday, the Governor Phil Lowe warned that it is more likely that the next move in interest rates will be up rather than down. In turn, the RBA keeps to a wait-and-see approach, which in the near term will keep the Australian dollar outlook rather mixed, but although slightly bullish due to the fact that we are recovering, with the ADX now not trending, the stochastic showing a bullish crossover, and the RSI rising should see a move up towards 76.20.35 and reassess from there. The euro held to a tight range overnight and giving little away for direction. However, the key support still remains at 16.90. With a risk event into the next 12 hours, we do have the Fed Chair Janet Yellen to deliver a speech at a panel in discussion in New York. It is viewed that the market will still price in a rate hike for December. And also we have for release is the US Employment, Durable Goods and Consumer Confidence Report, and along with the Federal Reserve release the minutes of its November policy meeting, which could put a volatile spin on the market. Now, at present, we do need a break of 116.90, which would expose the move down towards 115.5. On the flip side, we do need to see a break of the dollar index, which is at 94.25. It currently trades at 93.86. Now, if we get those moves, then the market should initiate the direction that I'm looking for, which is a bearish euro and a bullish US dollar. Well, the dollar yen still going pretty much nowhere since the rebound underneath the 112 handle. Nevertheless, we should still not discount further tests towards the downside until we get a break of the US dollar index. Therefore, we could see 111.60 still be challenged, so still keep that in mind if you're trading from a long side, as a break beneath there would see a move towards 109. Looking to the upside, a break above 113 would give further confidence for the bulls to return and look towards 113.65 to 114 figure 10. Well, it would seem that the pound isn't going either, but it is nudging slightly towards that cap of 133. It is viewed the market probably fell from there. Now, at this point, I still don't have a strong view on the pound, but I do expect to see this level hold around 133 and look for a turnaround. There is some discussion out there that Mark Carney may have actually made a mistake about hiking rates previously. But nevertheless, the chitter-chatter in the news media will still continue. But I'm looking for a pullback towards 131.80 and reassess from there. Now the gold surprisingly returns in front of that bullish support at 1,270. And from the recovery, I'm looking for a move up towards 82 to 84. A break above 84, which should reinstate the next target of 89. To wrap up with oil, well, the market is slightly higher overnight and closing in on the support to further rise, but should see resistance around 57.20 to 57.80 figure. I'm not overly bullish on oil until we get a break above 58. Therefore, while capped, I expect to see a pullback to 55.5. So that wraps up today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.